Alchemical Wizard 22, the Axiatonal Grid System. Axiatonal lines generate the vital energy network for our entire biofield physiology, avatar, light body, etc., and they feed subtle information to the chakras and the etheric body. Each axiatonal line has a corresponding dimension, chakra, and frequency color. These axiatonal lines run along acupuncture meridians and they channel into spin points that lie near the surface of our biological body. These points are small vortices of energy that emit light and sound frequencies. Once the level of 5D consciousness is achieved, the improved spin rate of these axial points is then able to create an information grid for healing and regeneration. Originally, the axiatonal lines, meridian lines or acupuncture lines, on our bodies were connected to the grid lines that encircle the planet and connect with a larger grid linked with the entire multiverse and the original aspect of our higher self or oversoul. Over time we have become disconnected from these lines, or more specifically held back, repressed and restrained. This is where our neural link to our oversoul or higher self connected and formed a complete fifth-dimensional circulatory system. This was the basic energy used for renewing the biophysical cellular form. So on a quantum level nothing is ever disconnected from source or the multiverse. It has only been suppressed. RNA acts like an antenna ready to receive and transmit codes that in turn help reconnect our potential, dormant, DNA. This axiatonal grid system is the macrocosmic grid and the microcosmic grid. It goes out far into the multiverse and deep within our cells, reaching our oxychromes/chromophores. The only historical references besides ancient texts like the Book of Enoch or other esoteric-type books hidden away, to this way of connecting and restoring essence in the body is found within Chinese medicine and is known as the meridian system. The meridian system is a subset of the greater web of intelligence in the cosmos, which also exists throughout our overall biofield physiology and all morphogenetic fields. So just as I have suggested before, to align oneself to the ancient grids of Gaia that are coming back online, or the circadian rhythm that is right in line with the cosmos, one can help reconnect their axiatonal lines just by meditating in nature and being away from harmful EMF pollution or other suppression technologies. You may also consider an axiatonal alignment. Axiatonal alignment connects us to the universal grid system and our planetary grid system. Our brain, endocrine and meridian system are like a computer that hasn't had an internet connection or has not been connected to the source mainframe for a while. We have had limited programs running. In fact, we have had fear-based programs running. With axiatonal alignments we are more able to download information from our higher frequency selves and the Akashic records. Just like going within and realigning with deep meditation techniques. Axiatonal realignment is a healing technique that reunites our biological body with axiatonal lines and can very much heal our biofield physiology. Axiatonal lines are part of a fifth-dimensional circulatory system that combines color and sound, drawing the basic energy for renewal functions of our biological body. The axiatonal realignment brings in and activates these grid lines, allowing for the exchange of light and information and the reconnection of our potential, dormant, DNA. Travis Carper. June 27, 2019. Blog on 3decrees.org.